Today we're in Troop, Pennsylvania at Kingdom Products. Kingdom Products is a manufacturer of material and tools for the theme park industry. They make rocks and stones. Typically it's carved mortar to look like natural stone. The pump we're using today is Graco's S340e. It's a 110 volt stucco pump, weighs 200 pounds, but it has the output of up to a pallet an hour of material.
A unit like the Graco pump will dramatically reduce the labor load that you need for his employees, increase the production, and decrease the amount of material that you need to use on a job site, hands down. Standard hand-on application, we call it hand balming or hot trowel techniques, seem to have a lot of, by using your hands a lot, picking up the mud and the material that we're using out of the buckets, you get a lot of just residual drops from material usage and application, where the Graco, when you spray it on with a pneumatic system, its waste is reduced immensely just by that system that, using the pump itself. The Graco pump allows you to do inverted applications with vertical carving a lot quicker and steadfast, and a lot less material loss in that situation. Hands down, these small pumps like this help the contractor like us get through a job quicker and with ease.